Restore your body the natural way with Rewind for restoration. Lingering pain? Relieve aches and pains from sore muscles and joints with Rewind for restoration. Our essential ointment blend with a 3-to-1 ratio of CBD to THC uses a CBD dominant formulation. This ensures fast, localized relief every time. It's easy to use and a delight for the senses. Rewind is infused with turmeric, black pepper, and cloves, Ayurvedic ingredients known to soothe aches and pains from everyday discomforts. Rewind is plant-based, all-natural, allergy-friendly, and contains beeswax. Why beeswax? Because it's both a skin enhancer and moisturizer. Discover the natural way to target lingering pain quickly with Rewind for restoration, an essential ointment from the root of it all.